Looking for a great hotel in Rome? Look no further than the Hotel Lancelot. This hotel is near many major attractions and only a 5-minute walk from the Colosseum. Tucked away in a quiet area with a basilica right nearby. There's a quiet little patio to enjoy your coffee and snacks. A great little coffee bar and lounge right inside. I'd quite often get a tray of coffee and cookies to take back while working. Here's a lounge right outside the restaurant. They do have a breakfast buffet that's included. We highly recommend having dinner here. It was reasonably priced and the food was fantastic. And if the weather is nice enough, you may get to enjoy that dinner up on the terrace. The views here are absolutely stunning. And if you're really lucky, you'll get to sing happy birthday to Ferris.
Happy birthday, dear Ferris.
This is one of the smallest elevators I've ever seen, large enough for 2 people and 2 pieces of luggage. But if you prefer the steps, they have these beautiful marble steps. Here's the full room tour of room 42. Mirror and a sitting chair right by the door. Small bench to stash your luggage. The desk was fine. I use this every day as a work desk. The TV's a little small, but we weren't here to watch TV. Full-size wardrobe, along with safe and extra bedding. The bed was very nice sized, a little firm. The bed was listed as a queen sized. Private bath, which was very nice, good sized, amenities. And a very nice sized full shower. This particular room did have a view of the street and the terrace next door. The street was very quiet. If you stuck your head out the window, you could just see the very top of the Colosseum, so I suppose this would have a Colosseum view. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.